Alright, why do we want to have a captive brake bracket? Well, every time you try to change these things, your tire, this thing, as you're trying to put the tire on, just falls off. It's a real pain in the butt. Alright, so the Fast Frank's Racing Captive Caliper Kit. It's very simple, actually. So here's the stock adjuster. There's the Fast Frank adjuster, stock adjuster. So you could do this yourself if you had a something to let you drill straight enough and had a tap for 4mm screws. All right. This goes in the swing arm. The brake adjuster, or the brake caliper mount, has two 4mm holes in it that line up with the holes in the adjuster, and that's what these little 4mm bolts are for. So you put this in your swing arm, and then you put your bolts in from the outside into the caliper bracket. Right. Oops, gotta have it the right way. And that holds it onto that standoff on the swing arm, so it won't drop off every time you're trying to just change a tire by yourself. All right.